happens if you want to move multiple pictures at a time. You can do that with the Shift or the Control button on your keyboard. Now, what I'm going to do is let's take a look at what that looks like and where it is. You may already know where it is, but I'm going to show you where it is. The Shift button is exactly here. If you notice, it's on the bottom left. Okay, and it says Shift, and then it's also over here. So you have two places where you can access it. This is where the Shift button is, and you're going to use the Shift button for any consecutive pictures, any pictures that are in a row, okay? That's one after the other after the other, okay? So the Shift button is used when you want to choose consecutive pictures, that multiple pictures that are consecutive one after the other. Then you also have the Control button. The Control button is right over here. Now, if you notice the arrow button, it's on the Control button. CTRL is the abbreviation for it. And then you have another one over here. It's basically right under the Shift button. You have the Shift, you have the Control, and then over here you also have the Shift and the Control. The Control button is used for when you want to select multiple pictures, but they're not consecutive, okay? So